Looking for the perfect tablet to power through schoolwork and stream your favorite shows? The best student tablets combine performance, portability, and long battery life, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're taking notes, attending virtual classes, or unwinding with games, these top 5 student tablets deliver the ultimate balance of productivity and entertainment. Number 1. Amazon Fire Max 11 Student Tablet. The Amazon Fire Max 11 is a feature-packed student tablet designed to deliver powerful performance and entertainment on the go. Its stunning 11-inch display with over 2.4 million pixels, 2000 by 1200 resolution, offers brilliant visuals and is certified for low blue light to protect your eyes. Powered by an octa-core processor, 4GB RAM, and Wi-Fi 6, it ensures smooth multitasking, lag-free streaming, and responsive gaming. With a sleek, lightweight aluminum body and reinforced glass, it's 3 times as durable as the iPad 10.9-inch, 10th gen. Its impressive 14-hour battery life keeps up with your studies and binge sessions, and you can store everything with 64, 128GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB. Perfect for both productivity and play, it supports a detachable keyboard case and Amazon stylus, sold separately, and includes a 3-month Microsoft 365 trial. Stay connected with a crisp 8MP camera for Zoom calls. Family-friendly features like Amazon Kids Plus and Alexa integration make it a versatile choice for students and households alike. Number 2. Cooper's 10-inch Android Tablet. The Cooper CP10 10-inch Android tablet offers excellent performance and versatility at an affordable price. Powered by a quad-core processor, 6GB RAM, 2GB plus 4GB expandable, and the latest Android 14 OS, it ensures smooth app launches, responsive light gaming, and seamless video playback, perfect for everyday use. Enjoy vibrant visuals on the 1280 by 800 IPS display, which delivers bright, crisp colors for a lifelike viewing experience. The 10-inch capacitive touchscreen with 5.G+G technology offers fluid interaction whether you're gaming, reading, or streaming. Packed with useful features, it includes a 2MP front camera and 8MP rear camera with flash, built-in GPS, Bluetooth 4.2, and 32GB internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card, not included. It supports 1080p video and is ideal for reading, browsing, video chatting, or photography. With a 6000 mAh battery, the CP10 delivers up to 8 hours of mixed use, making it a reliable travel companion. While it doesn't support SIM cards, it offers fast Wi-Fi 802.11 AC beta GEN for smooth online experiences. A USB Type-C port ensures fast data transfer and charging. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy 10.4-inch Android Student Tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a powerful and versatile Android tablet designed to balance productivity and entertainment, perfect for students. Equipped with an immersive 10.4-inch crystal-clear display and rich Dolby Atmos surround sound, it brings your favorite shows, games, and study sessions to life with vivid detail and booming audio. What sets it apart is the included S Pen, making it effortless to jot down notes, annotate documents, sketch ideas, and edit photos or videos, all with natural precision. No charging required, just grab and go. Whether you're in class or on the move, its slim, lightweight design fits easily into your backpack and comes in stylish color options, including a fresh mint hue. Powered by Samsung's latest processor, the S6 Lite ensures smooth multitasking and gaming. And when it's time to work, Samsung DoX transforms your tablet into a desktop-like experience. Manage multiple windows, drag and drop files, and take control across devices with ease. Reliable, sleek, and student-ready, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is more than just a tablet, it's your study partner, creativity hub, and entertainment center, all in one. Number 4. Lenovo M11 Tablet for Students. The Lenovo Tab M11 is a powerful, student-friendly tablet designed to keep up with your dynamic academic and entertainment needs. Its slim, lightweight build and vibrant 11-inch Wuxka display, 1920 by 1200, make it perfect for studying, streaming, and creativity on the go. With the MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor, you'll enjoy smooth multitasking whether you're attending virtual classes, editing documents, or relaxing with your favorite shows. Equipped with 128GB of SSD storage, the M11 lets you run multiple apps and browser tabs without lag, offering seamless productivity throughout the day. Its intelligent ambient light sensor ensures comfortable viewing in any lighting, while the front and rear cameras let you easily capture moments, participate in video calls, or take class project photos. The tablet features a USB-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack for fast data transfer and flexible connectivity. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it's built to last through long study sessions or travel days. Lenovo's commitment to inclusive, human-centered technology shines through in the M11, offering smart performance, portability, and design tailored for today's learners. Number 5. Urao 10.1-inch Android Student Tablet. The Urao 10.1-inch Android tablet is a high-performance device built for students who need speed, storage, and stability. Powered by a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and the latest Android 14 OS, it delivers seamless multitasking, faster app launches, and an ad-free experience focused on privacy with enhanced permission controls. With 10GB RAM, for plus 6GB, and 128GB ROM, plus support for up to 1TB of expandable storage, this tablet ensures smooth gameplay, fast downloads, and ample space for study materials or media. It comes pre-installed with Google Play Store, allowing access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Google Classroom. The 1280 by 800 IPS HD display with low blue light protection offers a sharp, vibrant viewing experience while minimizing eye strain. Dual cameras, 5MP front, 8MP rear, are perfect for video calls, online classes, and casual photography. Equipped with a large battery and fast charging technology, it supports up to 8 hours of usage and charges fully in just 1.5 hours via USB-C. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 offer faster, more reliable connectivity, making the Urao tablet a smart, all-in-one study companion.